Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today to start off my 24 days of Christmas Secret Santa swap hosted by Scrappy Tate. This is the box that I'm receiving from my swap partner. I am also doing videos of what I sent my swap partner. It's not the same person as who sent me. If that makes sense. Anyway, so yes, stay tuned. I am going to open this and get into day one as I am already late uploading this. So stay tuned. So I just wanted to show you how the box came with all this goodness. Look at. Okay, so I have to look for box one. I will be back. Hold on. Okay, so this is what I found with a number, I think, on it. 1. This didn't have a number. And I found a card, so I'm gonna open these all up for day one. But let me look at the card real quick. So my swap partner, who are sending me this beautiful gift, so thank you, is Sandy. Yes, Sandy, and she's from Sandy's Planners Shop and Crafts. I'm gonna leave her well, her link is in the description box below, so you can go check her out. It is so beautiful. I love the presentation. It is darling. I saw some Twix there for me, so thank you so much. That's my favorite candy. So here we go. I love this cellophane bag, and I like to reuse packaging, so I will save it as much as I can and possibly use it in next year's swap if they'll have me. So how cute is this? Did you make this? Wow. I always want to get a laminating machine, but then I wonder, you know, is that just a tool I'll mess around with and not do anything with? But this is beautiful, so you must have a cinchy thingy, or you just punched them. This is beautiful. Thank you so much. I love it. And then how cute is this jelly bag? I remember having the bigger version, like life-size version. And I remember wearing jelly shoes. How cute is this snowman? He jingles. I love him. And then she's got some fun stuff inside here. Look. Oh, how cute. This paper clip with the snow hat. Oh, these are cute. Thank you so much. And this is just day one. And then there's some other things in here. Oh, I think I love that crinkle too, but this reindeer paper clip with this Christmas light bulb charm, and then this lollipop charm. How cute. So thank you so much. Thank you, Sandy. I am so excited to go through the rest of it. And if you want to stay tuned to watch me unbox the other 24 gifts, I'll be opening one every day and I'll be posting it here. So thank you for stopping by. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Please consider liking and subscribing and joining me on this crafty journey for more videos like these. See you here. And until my next video, shakas!